In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Chorkie to TV. Firstly, use the applied cable to connect your phone to the remote controller. Power on the remote by pressing and holding the power button, then launch the drone's mobile app on your phone. Follow any on-screen instructions for setup. It is your first time connecting, you may need to press a pairing button on the drone and wait for the connection to establish. When you're ready to fly, and once connected, check your controls and camera feed. Now just go fly your drone and explore your surroundings. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Insert the Chromecast into the HDMI port on your TV and connect the USB power cable to a power adapter for a USB port on the TV. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where the Chromecast is connected. Just download and open the Google Home app on your phone, then tap the plus, then set up device, then new device, then choose your Chromecast. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect Chromecast to Wi-Fi. Just open the cast-compatible app like YouTube, Netflix or Spotify, then tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast device. Now just enjoy streaming on your TV. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.